Yeah, SMS Noble Films. Hacks Air in the building. Live humans. Nah prompts. Let's talk about it. Yeah. Chat GPT give advice, but it stop at the page. Claude get poetic, Gemini act amaze. Grok crack jokes, perplexity searching the net. But when it's time to execute, they ain't placed the bet. I don't need here's how, I need done by the night. Need a book, film, album, roll out tight. You talk tokens and context, I talk credits and sales. iTunes checks hit same day, no fairy tale trails. You say, I can't do that, that's the line y'all repeat. Hacks say no problem, then we book in the seat. Zormy in the sky, Jim Buddy on FaceTime. Cop drama, heat sequel, yeah, I'm staring in mine. One prompt, watch it turn to a movie. One prompt, watch it scream like it's groovy. You answer questions, we finish the task. Human hands on the wheel, yeah, we don't ask. One prompt, sell a book, drop a song, same day payouts. Tell me who really on. You explain the road, we driving fast. Hack E, future built, not forecast. Write me my life, audio book done. Soundtrack included, yeah, 2 for 1. Build me a Wix site, flower shop clean. Brand live by lunch, know what I mean? TikTok shop loaded, merch in the store. MP3s, tees, posters, want more. Promo clip rolling 30 seconds to shine. Social feeds fed like it's dinner time. You say style of Stephen King. 500-page grind, full moon, LA, yeah, the terror divine. 5 faceless channels, cats to cuisine, Italy, motherhood, algorithmic dream. One prompt, watch it turn to a movie. One plum, watch it stream like it's groovy. You answer questions, we finish the task. Human hands on the wheel, yeah, we don't ask. One prompt, real people on live calls, classes on demand. Break down walls, you give guidance. We close the loop, hacks AI, results the proof. Perplexity searching, Claude still polite. Gemini brainstorming, late at night. Chat GPT smart, yeah, respect would do. But you ain't booking my drone or my dinner crew. I need coffee with writers, comedians at meals. Real conversations, real laughs, real deals. Need a gym partner counting every rep. Posting progress clips, keeping me kept. This ain't a chat bot, this orchestration. AI plus humans, full coordination. Live LEMs, operators on deck. Every scene check twice for respect. Teach me something, cool FaceTime now. Syllabus generated, facilitate a vow. No pre-recorded sleep, no endless scroll. Just one prompt turn curiosity into a goal.